Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of shopping on DHgate, you know how thrilling it is to wait for your packages to arrive. But in 2025, tracking your orders has gotten even easier with updated features and seamless integrations. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process so you can stay on top of your shipments without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your DHgate account. Whether you're using the website or the revamped 2025 mobile app, which now includes AI-powered suggestions, start by entering your credentials. This is your gateway to all your order details. Once you're in, head straight to the My Orders section. It's usually right on your dashboard, making it super simple to find. Here, you'll see a list of all your past and current purchases. It's like a personal shopping history at your fingertips. Next, select the specific order you want to track. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Order Details page. Look for the Tracking Information section, where you'll find the tracking number and the shipping provider, such as China Post or DHL. Now, for the tracking itself, you have options. You can click on the provided tracking link, which takes you directly to the carrier's website for real-time updates. Or, copy the tracking number and paste it into the shipping company's app. In 2025, DHgate has enhanced this with features like automatic notifications and integrated maps, so you'll get alerts on your phone as your package moves. If you encounter any issues, like a missing tracking number, don't worry. Double-check your email for confirmation details or use DHgate's improved chat support to get help quickly. It's all about making your experience smooth and stress-free. And there you have it. Tracking your DHgate orders in 2025 is straightforward and efficient. This way, you can plan ahead and avoid any surprises. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.